welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna try to look younger with makeup. So I'm gonna use light colors, pink tones, and light eyeshadows. But what I'm really gonna focus on is creating that youthful glowing skin with good foundation base, concealing, contouring, and highlighting. So stick around and see if I'm really gonna be able to make myself look younger with all these makeup techniques. Prior to filming, I put this collagen mask on for 10 minutes. Then I gently press this Halo Glow Rose Essence by Neogen onto my skin. To achieve a youthful glowing skin, it is important to prep the skin first. To minimize the visibility of my pores, I use this Prep and Prime Stick by MAC. For the eyes, I use the Vitamin Enriched Eye Base by Bobbi Brown. To create the perfect foundation, I'm mixing these 4 products. I like the full coverage of this Marc Jacobs foundation and the smooth finish of the Chanel foundation. And since I'm going for a lighter tone, I'm adding a bit of this Fenty concealer. To add an extra glow, I'm putting a few drops of this volumizing glow drop from Innisfree. Mix them well and apply it onto your face with a brush or a sponge. To cover my dark circles, I'm mixing this Marc Jacobs foundation again with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. Apply the product onto the inner corner of your eyes and onto the outer corner in an upward direction to help your eyes appear lifted. Press all the products into your face with a beauty sponge. This will help your skin become one with your foundation. To contour, I'm using my favorite Laura Mercier contouring palette, Contour Deep No. 3 and Highlight No. 2. Make sure to slightly curve up the contour on your cheeks to lift your cheekbones. Contour your face like this, because our aim is to make everything look tight, lifted, and defined. To prep the areas to be highlighted and to get that natural glow, I use the Cream Highlight No. 1 from my Laura Mercier contouring palette. To set all the products in place, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder. Simply press the powder onto your face using a powder puff like this. For a youthful blush, I'm using Benefit's California and Gold Rush. And for the glass skin look, I'm using the pink highlight from Sephora's Luminizing palette that blends seamlessly into my skin. To highlight the bridge and the tip of my nose, I'm using the lighter pink color from the same palette. For a more defined contour, I'm using the Hoola Powder Contour from the Blush Bar palette. Use the powder puff again to push all the products into your skin. For the eyeshadow, I'm using Pony's Pink Bloom No. 2. I'm starting with this pink color for the outer corner of my eyes. Then I use this lighter pink color onto the inner corner of my eyes. And the dark brown eyeshadow to create a subtle line on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm adding a little bit of this even darker brown color onto the outer corner of my eyes to create a lifted eyelid. And this matte light brown color for the lower lids. To add an extra shimmer, I'm using this Nature Republic Shimmer Eyeshadow in beige. I'm using my fingertip to glide the eyeshadow onto my entire eyelids. For the eyeliner, I'm using Misha's Vivid Fix Pen Liner in black. To brighten my eyes, I'm using the white silverish tip of the MAC's Dual PowerPoint eyeliner onto my waterline. Then I use this dark eyeshadow to color my lower lash line. For my brows, I'm using this Misha Skinny Brow Pencil in brown. It creates that soft brows that are perfect for a younger look. I'm also shaping my brows upwards with less arc to further create that lifted eye makeup. To set my makeup all together, I'm using MAC's Fix Plus Setting Spray. It keeps my makeup in place for hours. For longer mascara, I'm using Volumizing Mascara from Revitalash. And to complete the youthful look, I'm using MUD's Lip Pencil Liner in natural color. For more youthful lips, I'm adding Nivea's Lip Gloss in cherry flavor. And this is the final look of this younger me makeup tutorial. I hope you learned something from me today, and do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.